Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to remove duplicate pics from iPhone. Here's a step guide to remove duplicate photos on your iPhone using the app Clean App. Clean storage space. First is to download and open the Cleanup app. Go to the App Store, then search Cleanup, Clean Storage Space. Go ahead and install it and open the app by tapping Open. Then hit Get Started. Allow photo access. When prompted, tap Allow access to all photos, so the app can scan your library. Wait for it to scan your photos. The app will automatically start checking for duplicate and similar photos. Tap on Duplicates. From the scan results, select the Duplicates section to see exact matches. Review the duplicate photos. The app groups them so you can compare and see which ones are safe to delete. Manually choose photos. You can let the app choose which to keep, or you can tap the check mark and manually pick which to delete. For example, I will remove the check for this bottle cap. Tap the delete. This will queue the selected duplicates for deletion. Then confirm the deletion. Repeat for similar or screenshots. Optional. Go back to the app and clean up similar photos, blurred shots, or large videos to clear even more space. Tip: some features may require a subscription or a free trial, depending on your version. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.